Okay, today we're going to start some moonflowers, and you read the back here, it says to sow them in soil, but I'm going to try and start them a little bit ahead of time, at least half of them. We'll compare which ones do better, the ones that are started in advance or the ones that were started after danger of frost. Here in zone 5, after danger of frost is May 15th. It's just too cold before that, even if it doesn't frost. So this is a heating mat, and that will keep the temperature above 70, which is what it needs to be. I'm starting them in Jiffy 7 pellets. I've already wet these to make them expand. And you get a pencil or something, make a nice little hole in there for seeds. One in each one. Just one more. I got it. Here, I got it.
I want to paint it. Here you go.
Very good.
We painted the body.
Yeah.
Painty.
Okay, here. And then put some water on there.
Two.
Yep. Okay. That's enough water.
Then gonna melt.
Yeah.
Body. No.
You know, all we have to do is just cover it up.
We gonna cover it on too?
Yeah. There we go.
We gonna give it too?
Yeah, here. You can put the cover on. Just put it on here. There.